Grandma.
Hi, Ethan. Say hi.
Hi.
What's today?
Easter.
Easter. What's special about Easter?
Because we get to find eggs.
That's one thing that's special. What else do we want to remember on Easter?
That Jesus is alive.
That's right. What are you eating?
Some cake.
With what on it?
And strawberries.
Ooh.
You're going to eat that Cool Whip?
Who's here? Who's here at our house?
Grandma.
Grandma's here.
Yay, Grandma came to visit. Here's everybody else. There's Edward with his curls. All done.
Did he eat all the strawberries?
And Daddy.
Yay.
And Grandma.
And I'd show myself, but it would look really bad.
Baby. No,
Baby.
look at Grandma. Look at Grandma.
I got Grandma.
And there's Mia.
Here I am. Hi.
Did you eat your